In a closely watched election outcome in Tamil Nadu, Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam has made a strong debut with several tightly contested results reshaping the political landscape. According to the Election Commission of India, senior DMK leader and former Co-operatives Minister K.R. Periakaruppan lost the Tiruppattur Assembly seat to TVK candidate R. Seenivasa Sethupathy by just one vote. After 30 rounds of counting across more than 30 polling booths, Seenivasa Sethupathy secured 83,375 votes, while Periakaruppan secured with 83,374 votes. BJP candidate Thirumaran K.C. came third with 29,054 votes. The result was declared late due to the extended counting process. TVK has emerged as a major political force, winning 108 seats, marking a significant debut for actor-turned-politician Vijay and indicating a shift in Tamil Nadu's traditional political equation. The election saw extremely close contests, surprising outcomes, and the rise of TVK as a new political force in the state. Seenivasa Sethupathy's victory reaffirms that every vote matters and even a single vote can change the fate of a candidate. So viewers, what do you have to say about Seenivasa Sethupathy's victory? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.